If you want to remove an unwanted object from a video in After Effects, here is how you can do it. First, make sure your clip is in the timeline. Select the video and go to the top toolbar. Choose the pen tool, then create a mask around the object you want to remove. Now, go to the Layers panel and click the arrow next to your video clip. Find the mask settings and look for the mask path option. Click the stopwatch icon next to it to create a keyframe. Move the playhead forward and adjust the mask to make sure the object stays inside it. Repeat this process throughout the entire video. Once the mask is fully tracked, go to the top bar, click on Window and enable the Content-Aware Fill panel. The panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In the Content-Aware Fill settings, make sure the fill method is set to Object and the range is set to Work Area. Now, click Generate Fill and After Effects will start filling the masked area. This process may take some time depending on the complexity of the video and your computer specs. Once done, play the video to check the results. And that is how you can remove an object in After Effects. Thanks for watching.